What if I told you that one of the biggest companies in the world might also be one of the most misunderstood investment opportunities today? Not a small startup, not a hidden penny stock. I'm talking about Tesla. Over the last few years, many investors believe Tesla's growth story is slowing down. But when you look deeper into the numbers and the future technologies Tesla is building, a completely different picture starts to emerge. And in this video, we're going to break down why Tesla might be massively underestimated heading into the next decade. Welcome to Future Finance Lab, where we explore the ideas shaping the future of money and technology. Most investors think the secret to making money in the stock market is simple: buy great companies and hold them for a long time. That's not wrong, but it's only half the formula. The real secret is this: buy great companies when the market is mispricing them. When a strong business is misunderstood or temporarily ignored by investors, that's where the biggest opportunities appear. Think about companies like Nvidia or other tech giants that exploded in value once the market finally understood their potential. Now here's where Tesla becomes interesting. Over the past several years, Tesla's revenue has grown dramatically. Free cash flow has increased significantly. Debt levels have improved, and the company continues expanding globally. Yet despite these improvements, Tesla's stock performance has lagged behind the broader market during certain periods. That's unusual. Many analysts focus only on Tesla's car sales slowing or competition in electric vehicles. But that view might be too narrow, because Tesla is no longer just a car company. Tesla is positioning itself in three major industries of the future. 1. Autonomous driving. Tesla's full self-driving technology could eventually power a global robo-taxi network. If autonomous driving becomes mainstream, transportation could shift from private ownership to on-demand autonomous mobility. 2. Robotics. Tesla is also developing humanoid robots designed for factories and potentially everyday tasks. With aging populations and labor shortages, robotics could become one of the largest industries of the next several decades. 3. Energy. This is the most underrated part of Tesla. Tesla's energy division focuses on battery storage systems, power grid stabilization, and renewable energy infrastructure. Energy storage could become one of the fastest-growing markets in the world. Many investors still evaluate Tesla the same way they evaluate traditional automakers. But Tesla operates more like a technology platform. Few companies in the world are positioned at the intersection of so many major technological trends. Now, of course, none of this is guaranteed. Tesla faces real risks: competition from global automakers and regulatory challenges. Innovation rarely follows a straight line. And Tesla's journey will likely continue to be volatile. Is Tesla simply a car company, or is it a technology platform that could reshape multiple industries? Let me know what you think in the comments. And make sure to subscribe to Future Finance Lab. The future of money is just getting started.